friends, hope you're doing very well today. Welcome back to my channel, Rameliving. For those who doesn't know me, my name is Pia, and through this channel I bring you tips and tricks on how to live a much more healthy, fulfilling and happy life. And in this video I'm very excited because I'm going to show you a really easy Ayurvedic hair and skin mask that is going to bring you a beautiful glow to your hair and skin. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty skeptical in terms of the products that I put on top of my skin or my hair, because at the end you're gonna absorb all of the ingredients that those products have. Nonetheless, you can find so many great, amazing compounds in nature that they are fresh, full of vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals that you can use not only to eat, but to put it all over your face or skin or hair, that why not take advantage of that? And I learned that when I started studying Ayurveda, that they use so many compounds out of nature, like leaves and roots and flowers and actually food, and they do these amazing beauty products. To be completely honest, I don't take care of my skin as I should, but my yam is my hair. My hair is the thing that I love to take care of. It's my, saying my beauty thing is my hair. I have, as you're seeing, pretty curly hair, and it looks pretty healthy, and I can say that is basically because of all of these natural compounds that I put on. So I don't want to talk more about theory, but let's go to the practice. To do this hair and face mask, we're gonna use only 4 ingredients. The main one are the fenugreek seeds. Then we're gonna use water, coconut oil, hopefully organic, and the last one is apple cider vinegar, hopefully organic too. So to do it, we're gonna need to start the night before by putting in 2 cups of water, half a cup of the fenugreek seeds. And we're gonna just leave it there overnight. You're gonna see that the next day the seeds are pretty fluffy like you're seeing in this video. Now, using this same water, we're gonna blend the seeds with the water. Take in consideration that you should blend for at least 2 to 3 minutes. You're gonna see that the mix is gonna start changing, becoming really creamy. Now, once it turns really creamy and smooth, we're gonna put aside just a little bit. That is gonna be our face mask. Now, for the hair mask, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This is gonna help us so much to balance the pH of our hair. And also we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. This is gonna help you to moisturize your hair and keep it away from dryness, making it really smooth and glowing. Now, with a tablespoon, you're gonna just mix them, and the hair mask is completely ready. Now, before we put the hair mask, we're gonna just massage a little bit the scalp. And just massage it thoroughly for at least 1 to 2 minutes. That is gonna make absorb way better all of the nutrients of the hair mask. You're gonna see that my hair is pretty wild when I haven't styled it. Now, what I like to do is to divide the hair in 3 parts, beginning on the top and then just divide it into the rest of the hair, just like I'm showing you here in this video. When you're ready, we're gonna use 1/3 of the hair, and we're gonna start putting this amazing hair mask. Lots of people doesn't like the fenugreek flavor, but in my case, I just love it. It's like putting pure maple syrup into your hair. So you're gonna start just adding the mask into your hair, and please just put a lot. Don't be shy on it. And one important thing is that lots of people just center their attention in putting it in the hair, but the scalp is really important too, because the fenugreek has these antibacterial properties that is gonna help you to avoid dandruff. So don't forget about the scalp. And it's important to tell you that this mask is pretty messy, so just try to do it with a t-shirt that you don't care to mess up, or just do it without the t-shirt if you want. And after you finish with the first part, you're gonna just clip it and go with the second part and repeat exactly the same procedure. So let's put the mask until this part of the hair is completely full of it. And once you're ready, you just go with the third part, and I just like to divide it in two. So I first put it in one part and then in the second one. Once you're ready, you have to leave it for at least 45 minutes. Don't leave it less than 30 minutes, but if you can do it 45, it would be much better. Now, passing 20 minutes, I like to put the face mask. I don't leave it for 45 minutes just because it's too much time for me, but 20 minutes I can handle it. So go ahead and fill up your face with this mask. Once the time is passed, just go ahead and jump into the shower to wash it. It's important to mention, guys, that at this point don't use shampoo, just wash it with water. If you see that it is not coming out good, you can use a little bit of conditioner and just wash it thoroughly. And if you want to use shampoo, I recommend it to do it until the next day, just because the shampoo can take out all of the moisturizer that we just put in. And you're gonna see that after that, just you can style it as you want. And in my case, I just love the nourishment and the shyness that my hair and my skin is feeling after this mask. I am literally glowing. So, my beautiful dear friends, this was the video on how to make this hair and skin mask. I totally recommend you to do it at least whatever you want to. You know, I do it like a couple of times per month, more or less. It has a pretty amazing effect. I see it right away, especially in the brightness. My skin gets super bright and my hair gets super bright for the next days. I even wash my hair and I can feel it way more healthy and more voluminous. So I'm extremely happy with this easy to make face and hair mask, and I hope that you too. I remember you that the whole PDF file that you can download on how to make it, you can find it on my blog rameliving.com, also as many other recipes of beauties, food, do it yourself, lots of healthy and useful things to have a much more healthy, happy and fulfilling life. Hope I can see you in next video. Take good care. Big hug.